Have you ever dreamed of going to Iceland? Me too. And I did some time ago, but not to the Iceland I have imagined. Because here, in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, I was brought to a place that is, surprise, called Islandia. Clearly, it is not the Iceland I'm dreaming of visiting one day. Hopefully I will. But in this episode, I want to show you this curious location that is also called the Venice of the Amazon. In the rainy season, the town gets pretty flooded and boat becomes the only means of transportation. Here you can see that the town is built on the pillars to take all the water that will come soon from the Amazon River. And each house has a bridge that connects it to the system of pathways for the town. I was there in the mid-season, so the water just started arriving. Islandia is a small town in the Amazonian region of Peru with population approximately 3,000 people. The town gets its name from the fact that it is located on the island, Island, on the Javari River that separates Brazil from Peru. Despite the remote location, Islandia has a thriving economy, with fishing and agriculture being the main source of income for the local community. Islandia is only accessible by boat, and in the recent years it started attracting more and more tourists due to its unique location and the opportunity to experience the Amazon rainforest. Here we arrived and walked on the pier, barely floating on the water, and went to explore this unique location. People of the front houses were offering us fresh mango, some grilled meat and fish, and apparently crocodile. The rest of the citizens were just busy with their daily routines. But just look how much care people here put into decorating their houses with lush vegetation. And here is the main plaza of Islandia. At this moment you can already see water coming, so you cannot just go down and play football, for example. Can you imagine all this being flooded up to here? Must be an impressive view. Thank you, Islandia Isle, for showing us your unique style of living and human resilience to the ever-changing natural conditions. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch this episode next to see more of the unique Amazon region.